and she's awake. I mean, I've been awake this morning. I got up, I had a shower, which is why I'm in my bathrobe, and I decided to start the day super productive. Today is a working day, very much working day, so getting my most productive attitude on. I want to have a coffee first because I mean everybody knows that I'm not really a nice person before I have a coffee. So actually, like, I'm quite a happy person when I wake up. Like, I'm very happy right away.
The sky is clear, the morning's here. Hey, you're back! Hey, get into gear!
It's not that bad. Today's plans are the workout, the coffee is like #1 plan, obviously, like preparing the video that needs to go live today, like getting everything ready. I would like to write a few blog posts. I would like to do my emails and organize also the kind of like themed videos, which obviously I'm not vlogging for a week, which is what I told you guys because I wanted you to see what my week looks like. I also need to think of some like thematic videos, the ones where I like sit down and talk to you. Stefan might be a bit loud today because today is his first online like school. He's doing live thing on the computer and he's seeing his friends, so he's shouting like, "Hi guys, hi, hi, hi." So it's just like a very excited boy. I'm gonna put some decent thing on now. Let me see what, and then el café. I am so bored of my clothes for at home nowadays that I can't even tell you. This is kind of what I live in basically nowadays, but I have made an order of a lot more. My like little slippers are there. I made an order of a lot more home clothing, so should arrive today and tomorrow. I'm gonna put my Chanel sandals, which are probably the most man-repelling shoes I own. That's gonna be my look of the day. Also, I painted my toenails last night mint blue. I don't know what you guys think about this, but now they're mint blue, which is very strange for me because normally I never wear something that is not light pink. But I was like, well, I'll probably be at home for another month, so if I hate it, at least I can decide that I hate it and then change it, you know? Now I feel like Superman repelling, so now it's time to go and have my coffee. This doesn't happen very often, but guess who is making breakfast for everybody? Here are all the extras: some cashew nuts, apple, banana, and my favorite coconut almond butter that goes into the porridge. Yum. And some cinnamon perhaps, and maybe some blueberries, why not? Okay, so this is what it is. I got some porridge, apples, bananas, cashews, blueberries, cinnamon, a bit of flaxseed, whatever I could find in my kitchen I just put in basically. And my first coffee still, so this is the breakfast of the day. Today I really need to organize. This is a catastrophe. It's really a catastrophe. There's a lot of mess. There's just not really how I like it. These things are not in order. Like, why are these two shoes like randomly different? There's a lot of shoes that I don't wear. There are like some shoe boxes on the floor. I don't know, some shoes here. What is going on? So I'm not very excited to do this, but I think I'm gonna have to do it today. I just want it to be neat. I want it to be space for everything, especially since I want to get some more shoes. I want to get rid of many pairs that I'm not wearing anymore or that I haven't really worn at all. So let's do that today. One option is to get rid of some shoes. A better option would be to build some more shelves for more shoes. Right? I do want to get rid of some shoes, but now that I go through them, it's not really that there are that many pairs that I'm not wearing. So maybe I should just build more shelves. But where? Because it's already like ceiling all the way down. Can you see? And then that wall as well. I'm sorry about all of this crap here. So some of it is to go to tailor, some of it is to get rid of, some of it I need to like change some stuff on, and some of it is for washing. There I can't because there's another door there. So there's one door there and there is one door there. So that door will not be able to open if I put more shelves there. You see, I could have few rows here, but I have to remove some of like my achievements and things from the wall. And also, like, I'm not sure if I would be able to reach. I would be able to reach, but if I should have some stuff there instead of having these things. I don't know. Let's try and reorganize. You know, like some annoying things are like the snow boots. Like, come on, how many times a year do I wear snow boots, right? Or like Uggs, I never really ever wear them. But you kind of have to have them because you never know what's gonna happen in life, right?
Baby stuff takes up all the space. Where will all the ribbons go?
I'm gonna think about this. By the way, I just asked my sister what does she think, where can I put more shelves, because right now I started organizing. Look, you can see that this looks already a little bit better. Like the snow boots there's like one shoe short the top shelf, but it's okay because those are very bulky. Then, you know, I kind of tried. These are the high-heeled ones, these are the flat ones. Still need to clean them all. I'm just trying to organize. I just asked my sister if she remembers that once I went on a trip. I can't remember where I went, but I went on a trip and I got back and all the shelves were put up. So her and her boyfriend, they put it all up for me, and I'm so grateful for that because that was the most exciting ever surprise that I had, and I cannot remember where I used to keep the shoes before, but this is like the best solution. I just wanted to show you I'm cleaning my shoes, and I got to the Manolo, so I cleaned this one and I haven't cleaned the other one, including the kind of front buckle, and look how the left one shines more than the right one. I mean, I can tell, and it's just like really, I love doing this. Love cleaning all of these babies because they sit here, you know, and also like they get a little bit of dust even when being worn, etc. So it's quite nice to clean every pair of shoes now. All I do is I just use some baby wipes without oil and like no fragrance as well. It depends actually what it is for, but I have like a different kinds of like a cleaning kind of technique for different types of shoes. Today for lunch we got some quinoa with chicken and vegetables, and it's honestly divine. It's still really warm. I'm so excited because it's like super filled with my favorites like peppers, bell peppers, and broccoli, and yum. Current situation, not the most flattering light, but I am cleaning everything with the disinfecting wipes. You know, that's the time. And then in the end, I do this like pretty much well, you know what, before the coronavirus, I was not really disinfecting everything with the wipes daily, but now I do it quite often. I love knowing that everything's so spotless and clean. I already cleaned the monitor, by the way.
Was I cleaning in my sleep again?
And I also do this with under.
If only there were a smaller one to clean this one.
Clean, doesn't matter, chillax. There are more coffee stains on this keyboard than I would like to admit. It's really a part of my personality, and if there would not be coffee stains on my keyboard, I wouldn't be true to myself. Now I'm gonna use one last one. I feel like electronics attract a lot of dust as well because of the whole, like, the way they are, right? I don't know who remembers back in like 2000s when the computers had that like massive, when they were like, you know, the PCs and stuff, how they were massive. They were always like really dusty and you had to clean them quite often. I mean, I remember. Also found 10p, I am rich. Now I need to clean my phone as well. Put these things back where they live. I got here my Smithson 2020 planner. Please don't unfollow me for terrible light. Or you can if you really want to, you know, what can I say. Little notebook with ideas and things on this side. I have my Mosaic Anthropology coaster that goes here, and my mouse, also I've cleaned it already, goes here. So this is all now clean, tidy, and how I like it. And I'm gonna clean all the stuff on the window, which I'm also gonna show you. The computer I've already cleaned. It's like never been this clean. I've even cleaned the keyboard and all of these little bits all around it. I love it. Loving it when it's spotless. Kind of want to reorganize this bit a little bit. Biało, prašňavo. What I'm doing, so I'm gonna remove everything from the window. You know what this thing is called? Window. Use the disinfecting wipes. What a beautiful day today, sunny. The sun is like directly shining at me. Everything is clean, everything. I've disinfected everything. The only thing to wash, well, I had a shower this morning, but I really want to wash my hair as well. I want to do like the super oil pack and massage everything in and rinse it. But right now I made myself a decaf with oat milk. Now I'm listening to some kind of like soft music, and I'm gonna respond to your YouTube comments on my daily vlogs. So this is my favorite moment now. So proud of myself, really so proud of myself. I managed to organize, to declutter a little bit. Look, like these are short black ankle boots. These are black high-heeled kind of taller boots, with one exception. Snow boots, then the kind of not ankle but not, you know, all the heels, the kind of some of the more like red carpet ones. Even managed to get a spot here and a spot here for a few sandals. So these here are like lower heeled ones, as you can see.
I've broken them down into categories, okay?
Yeah.
We got holidays, birthdays, candids, you know. And then what I've done is I've cross-referenced them by subject, right?
Managed to get rid of quite a few pairs that I'm not gonna be wearing, or some of them I never even wore, not even once, you know. So I'll probably be getting rid of these that are on the pile. By the way, someone asked me how do I decide what I'm gonna get rid of. It's very easy for me. If I have not worn it in a year, goodbye. If I don't think I can see myself styling it now, goodbye. You know, I just ask myself, hey, like, have I worn this? Or if they're very uncomfortable, if they make me blisters, goodbye. I only give them like, I do this quite often, so I didn't have more than like, I don't know, like 8-9 pairs there to get rid of. It's time to create more space for some cute little sandals and summer shoes. Hoping for summer still. Okay guys, another day is over. I think I'm gonna go to bed now, and I'm gonna set up alarm to get up early because I would really like to be productive tomorrow. Felt like today was a really good day. I don't know, I'm just feeling like I'm getting things done slowly, not pushing myself too far, doing a lot of things that I wanted to do, kind of like easy, you know, like not pushing myself too hard in anything. A lot of you have been saying that you would like me to talk about my favorite fragrances and some sort of, I don't know, fragrance collection. Now you guys know how much I love these ones that you get to see pretty much all the time in many of my videos, but there's a lot more. So I think that in tomorrow's video, I will attempt to do a little bit more when it comes to the fragrances. So I will show you a bit more of the fragrances. I will talk about my favorites. I will show you my collection. There's quite a bit. I will have to put them all in one spot, or I'll have to organize them. That's like a fun incentive, like, to do that. I hope you guys had a good day. Let me know what you did today in the comments below. Let me know how your day went. Sorry that today was not really much of a thing, but hopefully tomorrow will be better. You know what it's like. Some days I just like, I don't know, I think of content, and others it's just, you know, it's very real. It is what it is. Hope you won't mind. Love you lots. Take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.